In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel meetings in Google Calendar. If you need to remove a scheduled meeting and make sure it no longer appears on your calendar, Google Calendar makes the process very simple. This is especially useful when plans change and you want to keep your schedule accurate and up to date. Canceling a meeting the right way also helps avoid confusion for anyone who is invited. To begin, open Google Calendar and locate the meeting you want to cancel. Once you find it on your calendar, click on the event to open its details window. This small pop-up gives you a quick overview of the meeting, including the title, time, and any other related information. Make sure you've selected the correct event before moving forward, especially if you have several meetings scheduled close together. After the event details window appears, look toward the top area of that window for the trash can icon. Click the trash can to delete the event. In Google Calendar, deleting the event is what cancels the meeting. This removes it from your calendar, and if it's a shared meeting, it can also notify the invited guests that the meeting has been cancelled, depending on your calendar settings and the type of event. It's a good idea to pause for a moment before clicking delete, just to confirm that you really want to cancel the correct meeting. Once it's deleted, you may need to recreate it later if the cancellation was accidental. So, taking that extra second can save time. If you're canceling a meeting that includes other people, it's also helpful to be aware that deleting the calendar event is generally the cleanest way to communicate that the meeting is no longer happening. Instead of simply ignoring the event, removing it keeps everyone's calendar organized and reduces the chance that someone will still try to join. And that's all there is to it. Open the event in Google Calendar, review the details, and click the trash can icon to cancel it. It's a quick process, but it's an important one for keeping your schedule clear and making sure your meetings stay accurate.